Rocky, you're 19. What's up?
Hello?
Hi, Rocky. How can I help you?
I have a problem with my best friend.
Okay.
She's hot, then every time we hang out, my penis gets so hard.
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
that would be normal.
Putang ina, okay yun ayaw mo nun? Ayaw mo nun?
Ayaw ko kasi pag naka-shorts lang ako or boxer.
Putang ina, sige na.
Halata. Tapos, nung...
Smith is going on his 11th bathroom break. All right, I'm sorry. Okay. So you can't wear shorts around your friend. She's too hot that you get a boner. All right, continue.
Then, kaya nga, nung naisip ko na, nag-masturbate ako.
Sure.
Before siya darating sa place ko.
Yeah, para hindi ka... Yeah,
Oo.
okay. Oh,
then, nag-masturbate ako sa isang Jolly Hotdog.
You masturbated on a Jolly hot dog from Jollibee?
Oo.
You said like instead of mustard putting on the hot dog, you jizzed on the hot dog.
Pero may mustard pa rin at ketchup.
Okay. All right.
Then, nilagay ko lang sa table. Then, nanonood ako ng TV. Then, pagdating ng best friend ko, na baba, sabi niya, uy, akin na to. Or, parang hihingi siya. Hindi nagpadlira. Then,
hold on. Joey, you're missing the best story of the night.
Then,
I've heard them all.
You heard it? You heard it in the thing? He masturbated on a Jollibee hot dog?
No, but on salad. Salad, I do.
Yeah. You do on salad. Okay. He masturbated. Di ba yung girlfriend niya super ganda, di ba? So sabi ng girlfriend, pupunta daw siya sa bahay niya. So bago pumunta sa bahay, kailangan niya mag-masturbate para hindi siya manigas sa shorts niya at makita ng girl. So nung nag-jack off siya, he put his semen on a Jollibee hot dog.
Okay.
At iniwan sa table para
makainin ng babae.
Okay. Continue, Rocky.
Okay.
Then, sabi niya, di ba, akin lang to. Tapos, hindi ako nakatingin sa kanya kasi nanonood ako ng TV.
Pero yan yung alam mo eh. Iniwan mo kasi dun sa TV.
Oo nga, di ba?
Pero madami kasing pagkain dun. Tapos, di ko alam na yung...
Sana nilagyan mo lahat ng tamad mo. Ano ba yan? Sige. Tapos, again, nanonood kang TV. Tapos,
pagka, tingin ko sa kanya, kinain na niya yung, Jolly Hotdog.
Ay, sarap. Siguro sarap na sarap.
Parang wala siyang
Siyempre, hindi mo sinabi. Sinungaling ka.
Wala siyang, di niya na-taste or kahit parang wala lang. Tapos, yan. Wala akong sinabi kasi nahiya ako.
Jahe, no? Nakakahiya talaga yung ginawa mo, no? Pare, no? May ganun-ganun ka pa. Sana kinantot mo na lang.
Hindi, kaibigan ko eh.
Ay, anong issue dyan?
Tapos...
Okay, anyway, what's the question?
The next day, sinabi ko sa kanya kasi parang nagigilty na ako.
Ay,
then,
weirdo.
Nagalit sa akin, parang hindi na ako kinakausap.
Siyempre.
Putang ina eh. Kung ako, baka buntalin pa kita eh.
Sa tingin mo.
Halimbawa, tumaya ko sa pagkain mo.
Di ba? Iniiang ko yung kakainin mo.
Hindi na dyan na papakainin sa kanya yun.
Kahit na.
Hindi, kahit na pare. Ikaw naman, ano ka ba? Mental case ka ba? O ano? Bibigyan kita ng mental shirts and all that.
Kasi kahit sabihin mo, kahit hindi mo sabihin na hindi mo sinasadya, yung the mere fact na naglagay ka ng semen sa hotdog,
binaboy mo.
iisipin niya na weird ka.
Pero at least sabi ko sa kanya na, at least sinabi ko sa iyo na ganun.
Pare, may baril ako rito. Gusto mo, bibigay ko sa iyo. Ano ka ba naman?
Alright, what's the question, Rocky? You're 19. This is just stupid behavior from an immature boy. What's the question?
Yeah, hindi niya na ako kinakausap. Tapos, hindi na ako nire-replyan.
O sa iba ka naman ganun na lang. Hindi ka rin kakausap. Kahit anong gawin mo, pare, ang sama ng ginagawa mo, tangina mo.
Alright, what's the question, Rocky? Let's get to it.
Anong gagawin ko para mapabigyan niya ako or ma-forgive niya ako?
Nothing. Kainin mo yung tae mo sa harap niya.
Kasi pag tinatanong ko siya na anong pwede kong gagawin,
ano sabi niya?
Sasagot lang na okay, ganun lang na. Ganun.
Siyempre, galit siya. Mabuti nga, hindi ka sinampal, di ba?
Oh.
So that's it. I mean, what are you gonna do? You lost your friend. That's a stupid thing. Don't do it again. Whatever.
Huwag mo nang ulitin yun, pare. Tangin na, pare.
Babae, ang ganda
Rocky,
niya.
I know, Rocky. Listen, it doesn't mean every girl na I see sa mall na maganda, I'm gonna go ahead and fucking ejaculate on her face.
Oo nga eh.
You have to be part of our society, and you have to adhere to the rules, and you have to show a bit of class and breeding, and just be normal.
Right.
You're acting abnormally, Rocky,
Yeah.
and you're 19. You know, you sound like you're 12. And if you were 13 or 14, sige, sasabihin ko lang, bata, bobo. But you're 19, you're an adult, and you're acting like a fucking idiot.
What I don't get is, why
gamot
do you
yan.
have to ejaculate on the hot dog mo?
Oo nga. What's that?
What's with
Because he
ejaculating?
wanted the girl to eat it. Because listen, the girl is so hot. The girl is so hot, and this is the only chance he's gonna get semen inside her body.
Wow, ganun pa siya, no? Wow, she ate it!
So he did that purposely for her to eat the hot dog?
Yeah.
Not only that, pare, because, she was invited to the house and all that, di ba?
Yeah.
And all the food's there, and she chose a hot dog, and hot dog.
He probably, this is his thinking.
Oh,
if
no.
I jizz on the hot dog, she might think it's a penis. Put it inside her and I'll impregnate her, right? That's really what
You know, all
wanted,
the while,
right?
I thought that he used the bun, then imagine it was a vagina. Okay, that's what I was thinking in the first place.
No. He actually physically ejaculated on top of the ketchup.
Now I don't understand why people do that.
Because he's crazy.
Yeah, I know.
Rocky,
He's
That's
an
the only
animal.
conclusion I can
Rocky,
He's an animal.
if you don't stop this behavior, you'll be institutionalized. You do not,
pare, huwag ganun,
you do
huwag
not
ganun.
belong in this
Pang
world.
ano yan eh, hindi.
Panghayop yan, pare. Alam mo, di ba, pang kakantutan yung aso sa harap mo.
Hayop nga hindi nilalagay sa pagkain.
Oy, pare, putya. Ano ka ba naman, pare? Sana kinain mo na lang. Kinidnap mo, kaya, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Rocky, stop it, all right? Come on, it's time to be normal, all right?
Tsaka change your name. I hate that Rocky. Hindi ka Rocky, pare. Lucky ka. Lucky kanta nga. Pare, wag ganun. Binababoy mo ang babae. Paano ka malalab ng babae kung binababoy mo?
All right, Rocky?
Okay.
Ako na lang padyakulan mo.
Thanks for the call, buddy. Bye-bye.
Okay, sige.
Okay, that's it for tonight. 2 hours. Not.
I don't think